That's it. Stick. A tree? A tree? How would that happen? I don't know how that happened. Does that happen? There are trees that cut down. There are trees that cut down. Even this one. And even that one. I don't know what's wrong with these people.
The sun come out.
I don't know what's wrong with
The
these
birds talk
people. I
to
don't like
me.
these people no more. They keep on ruining the trees and stuff. I don't want that to happen. They keep getting butts and face. I don't know how that got face. That face. But it's really sticky. Yeah, play something. You can play something in phone. You like surfboards. You can just play that. You can't play it.
This is life.
We can play it.
This is life.
We gotta go get grateful.
Yeah, you gotta be grateful. The devil wants to steal your joy. So be grateful.
Okay.
Don't let the devil steal your joy.
Okay. But what they do?
Embrace
if
God.
My sister.
Let God into your heart.
What they do? If
Nobody
my
steal your sister.
How? How her go bite her?
Huh?
Bite somebody. Her cave her bite somebody. Oh, it's going fast.
What are you talking about?
I just talking about that. That's the more. And this
The most high, the most high, the most high. We get high.
Okay.
Assassin.
More steps.
What?
More steps.
What'd you say?
More steps.
Oh.
The more somebody see it, the more somebody get it. Oh man.
Record me.
Oh.
Record me.
I'll wait now. I'll do.
Record me.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So right now we just tuning in with nature. Listening to the birds tapping in. Gotta tapping in. You tapping in?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you want to come out here, because you tapping in. Really getting his imagination going and thinking for themselves. You know what I'm saying? Like when you out in nature, you can really have a freedom of everything. You know what I'm saying? Nature is everything. You can be anything you want out here. You can be anything you want. When you tune in with here, it's like your mind opens up and you can expand in any aspects, really. If you want to be a bird, you can be a bird. If you want to be a scientist, you be a scientist. Like,
How?
this is the Kashi Ruggers out
How
here.
you gonna be bird?
Believing in yourself.
You can drink potions and be a bird.
Yeah, this is magic. We out here tapping in with magic right now. The potion. You see how he just saying things because
Yeah.
he's remembering. He's a soul.